Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Sandra Andreliana and my partner Sharinda Aurora Marcella here will present about tangible and intangible asset to fill the text of English course 2. Tangible asset. Tangible assets are basically and measurable assets that are used in a company operation. Assets like property, plant, equipment are tangible assets. Tangible assets from the backbone of a company business by providing the means by which companies produce their goods and service. Tangible assets can be damaged by naturally occurring incidents since they are physical assets. Tangible assets are typical physical assets or property owned by a company, such as equipment, building, and inventory. Tangible assets are the main type of asset that companies use to produce their product and service. There are two types of tangible assets. First, current asset. Current assets include items such as cash, inventory, and marketable securities. These items are typically used within a year and thus can be more readily sold to raise cash or emergency. 2. Fixed assets. Fixed assets are non-current assets that a company uses in business operation for more than a year. They are recorded on the balance sheet as property, plant, equipment, and include assets such as truck, machinery, office furniture, and buildings. Tangible assets are also the adjacent to value since they typically have a finite value and lifespan. Tangible assets are recorded on the balance sheet initially, but as they are used up, they get carried over to the income statement. Inventory, for example, is tangible asset then, when used, becomes included in the cost of goods sold for a company. Cost of goods sold represents the cost directly involved with the production of a good. As inventory is used up in production process that record in cost of goods sold. Fixed asset, such as plant and equipment, are the other types of tangible asset. They are recorded on the balance sheet, but as their useful life is reduced, that portion is expensed on the income statement in a process called depreciation. Depreciation is the process of allocating a portion of the cost and asset over the years as it is used to generate revenue for company. Depreciation helps to reflect the wear and tear on tangible assets as they are used during their lifetime. Next,
2. Intangible assets. Intangible assets are typical non-physical assets used over the long term. Intangible assets are often intellectual assets, and as a result, it's difficult to assign a value to them because of the uncertainty of future benefits. Intangible assets are non-physical assets that add to a company's future values or worth and can be far more valuable than tangible assets. Tangible assets are non-physical assets that have a monetary value since they represent potential revenue. Intangible assets include patents, copyright, and company's brand. Intangible assets are intellectual property that include 1. Patents, which provide property right to an inventor. 2. Trademarks, which are a recognizable phrase or symbols that denotes a specific product and differentiates a company. 3. Franchise, which are a type of license that a party or franchise buys to allow them to have access to all companies. 4. Goodwill, which represent the value above and beyond a target pays to acquire them. 5. Copyright, which represent intellectual property that's protected for being duplicated by non-authorized party. Intangible assets can be more challenged to value from an accounting standpoint. Some intangible assets have an initial purchase price, such as a patent or license. Similar to fixed assets, intangible assets are initially recorded on the balance sheet as long-term assets. The cost of some intangible assets can be spread out over the years for which the assets generate value for the company or throughout its useful life. Whereas depreciation is used for tangible assets. Intangible assets use amortization. Amortization is the same concept as depreciation but is only used for intangible. Amortization spread out the cost of the asset each year as it is expensed on the income statement. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.